A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the channel Awesome Learning. The next topic here we are going to do is phyllotaxy. Now it is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or a branch. That means how the leaves are arranged on a branch. So there are three types of arrangement: alternate, opposite and whorled. Now you see here, this is an alternate arrangement where the leaves are alternatively placed on a stem or a branch. This is an opposite arrangement where the leaves are oppositely placed on a stem or a branch. You see, they are opposite to each other, right? And this is a whorled. Whorled means when they make a flower like you see appearance, because there is one single point and all of them are attached to that particular point. So that is called whorl. So either the leaves are placed alternatively or they are placed opposite or whorled. So let me show you here. In this, the single leaf arises at each node in alternate manner. So at one particular node, there is only one leaf, you see. So if this is the node, the leaf is here. If this is the node, the leaf is here. But in opposite type of arrangement, at one single node, there are two leaves. So this is a single node and there are two leaves oppositely placed to each other. And in the whorl type, in this, more than two leaves arise from a single node. So this is a particular node here, and so many leaves are arised from one single node. So this is the whorled, right? So alternate, opposite and whorl. So arrangement of leaves is called phyllotaxy. Next, we come to modification of leaves. Children, leaves are modified to perform functions other than photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the main function of leaf. But beyond that, there are certain other functions which leaf may perform. And that functions are the modified functions of a leaf. So leaf will modify themselves to perform those functions. So the first one is tendril. Now tendrils, these are the tendrils you see, they are used for climbing. Example is peas. Then spines, you see these are the spines here on the cactus. You know na, cactus में जो leaf जैसा दिखता है, that is actually stem. And the spines are actually the leaves. So these are for defense mechanism. Okay, example cacti. And third one is fleshy leaves. The leaves which can store food. Example onion and garlic. So these are the modified leaves. Modification and leaves you can see here in some plants such as Australian acacia. The leaves are small and short-lived. Their petioles expand. As I said, the expanded portion is actually a part of stem. It's not the leaf blade. So the petiole expands and they become green and they synthesize food. So this is in the case of acacia. Acacia is actually the cactus. Leaves of some insectivorous plants. Now this you have done in your junior classes. Insectivorous plants are the plants where leaves are actually engaged in entrapping a particular insect for satisfying itself in the form of food. So insectivorous plants, example pitcher plant, Venus flytrap are also modified leaves. The pictures are given to you. Okay, so this is all about leaf.